Hello and welcome to another video on high altitude investing. Today is going to be my weekly altcoin and Bitcoin price overview and where I think some of these currencies are going and the usual things like that. So first I would actually like to point out my balances right now in Poloniex here, so that you can see where I'm distributing my coins, where I feel like they're safe right now. So if we look here, you can see that the majority, I have this sorted by Bitcoin value, this little portion right here. So as you can see that the majority of my investments would be in XMR, ETC, Factom, Bitcoin, Ripple, Shadow Coin, Libri Credits, Gridcoin, Curecoin, and then Steinium Coin. Anything below 0.007, these are just like more long-term investments that I'm holding just to see where they go. Didn't invest a lot of money into them, so I'm not too worried about losing a lot of money from them. But if we look at my margin trading account right now, I have a long position on Litecoin because I feel like it's gaining a little leverage. And I have a long position of 97 XMR, which I feel like I'm going to profit significantly on after it makes this formation pattern. Came down and successfully tested this 50%. Or if you want to look at it from the breakout point, it successfully tested its 38% right here. So either way you want to look at it, to me this would be its 38% because it's been breaking out pretty much since clear back here when it hit its low in November 30th roughly, and its all-time low was December 8th. Let's see, its all-time low was December 18th of 2014, 15? Let me see here. Yeah, 2014. So it hit its low in December of 2014. And it's just been continuously uptrending since then. We've had a little downfall to come test some levels, but as you can clearly see, overall XMR has just been a great investment. And with the huge spikes in volume recently, I'm excited to see where this currency goes. And I think that it will definitely break its high here at 0.0265 Bitcoin. So yeah, that's my thoughts on XMR. As you can see, I'm trusting a lot of my money in it right now. But most of my XMR is actually in my margin account as collateral. I'm talking about BMWs on there. I'm gonna buy a 4K BMW 2001 this week. Excited. Oh, the troll box. I love the troll box. Now they're talking about cars and Corvettes. They probably just made a bunch of money off XMR. But yeah, so that's my current trading strategy and margin positions right now. This is my personal Poloniex, by the way. This isn't the high altitude investing one. This is high altitude. Brah, take that money and put it in here. Next year you'll be able to buy BMW 2017. See, here's the thing. I do not want a 2017 BMW. I want a used car because I try and budget my money properly. No offense, dude. Savages only. But anyway, so let's sort this by BTC value. As you can see, anything that isn't in my margin account is collateral, because these coins can't be collateral unless they're margin traded. So, for example, ETC, I wish we could margin trade ETC because I have a lot of collateral I could put in there right now. Collateral for margin trading. Shadow Coin Dark would be my next biggest investment at 0.0225 BTC value worth. I personally still think I'm still holding strong on my ETC Ethereum. My ETC Ethereum, what's it called? Conspiracy theory, whatever you want to call it. Hold on one second. I'm gonna take a little pause here. Hey Charlie, how's it going? Ashton, what are you up to? Hey, give me a hug. Is mommy getting something from the car? What have you been up to today, cutie? All right, I'm back. Yeah, my niece just came back. So, anyways, as you can see, my Ethereum Classic conspiracy, I still think is a real thing here. We have this huge 1, 2, 3 bottom formation forming right here, and with Ethereum just taking or dropping off like it is right now. It's just been dropping off. This to me would be a triple top at the 50% level. It just said, hey, I want to come up and hit that level, and it tested it, finally broke a little bit above it, which it did right here too, by the way, and then said, oh no, just kidding, I'm going down right now. You know, I closed an Ethereum short position last night that made me pretty good money. So I think I made about $70, and I opened it, and it was only like a 15-minute trade, but I had enough collateral and enough Ethereum, and I trusted that if I shorted it at this 238 level, then I knew I was gonna make money shorting it either way. So right now I'm just staying away from Ethereum completely, pretty much sticking with Ethereum Classic. If I lose all my money that's in Ethereum Classic, who cares? I'll start investing in Ethereum if it continues uptrending and becomes a true chain. But for now, I'm still holding strong to my Ethereum Classic. If you look at the ratios here, the Ethereum Classic is up 5% against Ethereum right now. Steam is up 14% against Ethereum right now. Hey, you gotta be quiet in the video. My niece, they're so cute. And then if we look at the XMR markets, we find that Bullberry is up 40%. NXT is up almost 4%. So it's just interesting to see what's going on in the markets right now, with XMR only being down 1% and gaining strong leverage at that 38% double bottom. That this is a double bottom continuation pattern. It formed right here in between September 16th and September 19th. And then on September 19th, it broke high. And right here would be a head and shoulder formation I see showing up right here. And then we're just gonna break high from here. XMR is probably going to take a lot of Bitcoin's market cap and a lot of Ethereum's market cap too. I think that the $1 billion market cap Ethereum has right now is just way overinflated. And then Bitcoin I still think will hold strong as a long-term currency, at least 5 years, 10 years, maybe even longer. But I still think we're going to lose about $1 billion of its market cap. Well, Monero, gets flooded in with volume, and just naturally due to that, if you look, there's some interesting charts here on CryptoWatch. I've showed you these charts before, but if you look at the CryptoWatch charts, then you can see a pretty strong correlation behind the Bitcoin and total market capitalization here. So here's total market cap. It just looks exactly like Bitcoin, if you ask me. The total market cap does, of all of the altcoin. And then it's combined altcoin market capitalization. So this is just the altcoins, according to my understanding. As you can see, they've been gaining a lot more leverage and uptrend potential right now against Bitcoin. And I feel like Bitcoin may come down and test some of these levels again. Just one more time, probably come down and test this, hold on, where am I in CryptoWatch? Probably come down and test this 460 level or somewhere in between, maybe 525. I think it's going to test those levels one more time just because of the strength of the altcoins right now against it. It's going to be pulling some of that market capitalization out of those altcoins. But as a general rule, and just to kind of finish up this video, I think Ethereum is going to downtrend for quite some time. We'll see. This is my opinion. There's risk involved in trading. I think Ripple is a great investment right now. Buy in the lows and don't sell in the highs yet. I think Ripple is gonna hit new highs soon. Litecoin, a little eerie of. It has pretty good volume. I like to sort my things through volume. Litecoin has pretty good volume. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's fifth in volume in 24 hours. So that's not too shabby. As you can see in the 7-day price graph, we've had some spikes up, right back down, and then a little bit below, and what looks to be like it could be losing some strength, but it also could just be coming and testing somewhere in between these levels right here and going back up. So Litecoin's a good investment, Factom's a good investment, Ethereum Classic, in my opinion, is a really good investment, super cheap right now. Monero and Bitcoin, buy in the lows, like right now. It's under $600. Probably a good time to buy some Bitcoin. I mean, it might go lower, but it's still in a low right now, and you can sell it because it will go higher before it goes lower. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on cryptocurrencies today. Steam is up 11%, NXT is up 6%, Highcoin is up 3.82%. There's some pretty interesting movement. Like I said, Bullberry 42%. Waves, please be added to Poloniex so that I can make money on you. Poloniex, if you're listening, add Waves. But yeah, 24-hour change. Highest is Bullberry, 24-hour loss. Lowest is Omni at 24% loss. So we're looking really good in the cryptocurrency world right now. On CryptoWatch, you can see the movements. I really like how they added this feature recently, or maybe they've had it all along and I just didn't know about it. But this is a really useful tool I've been using a lot. just going straight to the cryptowatch.ch and looking at how the altcoins are affecting each other's leverage. So you can see ETH being clear down like this and ETC coming clear up right here. You know, stuff like that. You can look at the correlation between XMR versus the correlation between Bitcoin here. That's a pretty interesting thing. 2 spikes right here, strength up here. Yeah, it's just a good tool. But yeah, I think Bitcoin's gonna come test somewhere around in these levels. I'll draw horizontal lines here for you. I think it will come test either this level or this level right here. And that is 547 and 460. So I think Bitcoin might range around in that price for a minute, just because of the battle of the altcoins in strength against it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. It really gives me more motivation to make more videos. If you like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can add me on Snapchat, because I post on my Snapchat stories when it's good times to buy and sell. So that can be a useful tool. I appreciate your time and have a nice day.